mo fẹ́ lọ gba ṣíà nọ́mbà tá a fẹ́ fi lọ́bìnrin.
Nigerian musician Seun Kuti arrested and handcuffed after visiting Lagos Police Command over assault video of police. He was, however, arrested and handcuffed by the police and moved to State Criminal Investigation and Intelligence Department for interrogation. The spokesperson for the State Police Command on Monday confirmed Seun Kuti arrested on Twitter. Serious assault on police officer Seun Kuti turned itself in. Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti, in the early hours of today, turned himself in at the Lagos State Police Command headquarters Ikeja in the company of his lawyer and family representative. He has been placed under arrest in line with the law. The command appreciates the public for their concern and assured that the ongoing investigation will be detailed, transparent, professional, and justice will be served for all parties involved.
mo fẹ́ lọ gba ṣíà nọ́mbà tá a fẹ́ fi lọ́bìnrin.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.